a Tokyo company that makes analytical instruments. It's a small company of around 30 employees, but their walls are decorated with awards that recognize their products. The company's representative product is this. Just what does it do? We asked sales manager Imai Hideto to find out.
Our device is able to extract target components from chemical compounds and remove any impurities. This is called separation and purification. It's used by national research facilities. You can also find them in the research departments of companies that specialize in making things like chemicals, materials, and medicine.
This is the separation and purification system. How does it work? We got a special demonstration. These samples of red, yellow, and blue water were prepared. When mixed together, the water turns black. The machine is going to extract the yellow for us. Time for the demonstration. The vials are set. The black mixture is injected into the machine. About 6 minutes later, the process is done and the yellow has been extracted. As you can see, only the yellow was separated from the black water. The devices are used in research facilities at universities and various companies. These places study organic synthesis, the combining of various chemicals into a useful organic compound. Those compounds can be found in the latest OLED TVs or in these silicon compounds found in solar panels. The difficulty with organic synthesis is that impurities are also formed at the same time. There needs to be a way to extract only what is desired. How exactly does the device work? The key component are these special columns on the side. The samples pass through these columns, and the unique properties of each component allow them to be separated. After we were shown the yellow being separated out, the red was also isolated, and finally, the blue as well. Just what is going on in these columns? They're filled with a special type of gel powder. Each particle of gel is only 0.008 millimeters. Components can be separated based on their size. The gel particles are full of tiny holes. When a sample is forced through the cylinder, the small particles in the sample briefly catch on the holes, while larger particles are able to pass without catching. Components are separated using this difference in time it takes to pass through the cylinder. The company also employs a unique method which involves recycling the flow. By passing the sample through the column multiple times, the target component is extracted with greater purity.
Sometimes the component isn't caught the first time through the column, but the chances increase tremendously with a second or third pass.
The company's device is used in 30 countries and regions worldwide. A Swiss researcher, commenting on how hard it had been to separate out a particular artificial sweetener, declared it a Japanese wonder.
We heard from the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology that they had tried everything to separate and purify a particular compound without success. But our device was able to do it very easily. They told us that our device had become essential to their research, and that was extremely gratifying.